What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? TK Profit from Profit Takers will hopping in to do another live session. So let's go ahead and jump right into Trading View, man. So we got a couple buys on US 30. I actually took all of these trade setups and I posted them in my story so you can see not only where we analyze it on TradingView, but our entries as well. Give me a second, y'all. So with this thing, US 30, the thing that I'm looking for here is a break above these highs. Alright, cool. I think last week, where were we? Okay. Yeah, so last week, price created this gap. When it pulled back to retest this area here, that's where we took our first position. From there, every point where price started to consolidate a little, we used that as an area to add trade setups on the way up. So right now, this is our third TP, and this is the high that's in the way. I need to see a break above this thing, and if we get a nice push, I may use this as an area to add another position on this trade setup. So all of these trade setups we called live, we placed them live as well, just to help people understand execution when it comes to trading. So I'm going to set an alert above this high right here. They changed the, oh, here it is. We took this gold sale as well from the high. This is our last target on that. So let's see. Let's see if we can get a rejection at this area. Looks like we're gonna push above on US 30. Y'all give me a second. So I've identified the trades on TradingView, but I actually placed them on. Check Meta. Yeah, we'll take a look at Meta after I get this trade set up here. Looking to see if you should sell it or hold. All right. Excuse me. Oh, you just got that gap up. So on the weekly, you just had a response right here to this structural level of support. That's a pretty strong level to just bounce at. And you just got a gap up on it daily. I think you should hold it. This is the daily range right here between, what is this, 590 and 477. You have it for Friday. You doing options on this? You saying your expiration date is tomorrow? Okay. Man, I would say doing options, man. Y'all at least give yourself 3 weeks to a month. Adam, what up, Adam? Adam, we hit all 3 TPs on that Euro pound sale, man. But yeah, with these option plays, man, you guys give yourselves at least 3 weeks to a month for this thing to play out. Because to be honest, there's a chance that this thing could go higher than where it is right now, especially with the way price gap like this, okay? So in most cases, you'll see somewhat of a pullback to maybe 50% of that gap, and then you'll get another move. Now we got stop losses above this area because of the rejections there, and we got this high right here on the daily, clean high that has yet to be retested. So I would see how, give me a second. I would see how price responds right here at this area that we're at. If we get a break above, good chance that could probably happen. But if this area holds that support, then this thing is definitely pushing towards those highs. Yeah. As long as you got enough open interest for somebody to sell it to, that's what I would check. So it's a lot of factors with options, but if that is in place for you, then definitely go ahead and hold it. Matt, what up? Man, please tell me you held that all the way to the end. Where Adam at? Uh-oh. That thing closed like that on the daily. Yeah, Meta could keep running, man. It's still some money in Meta. Now we hit all 3 TPs on this one. We're looking to see if we can go back in. "13 minutes left." Let me go ahead and set this limit order. Adam, this thing started playing around, but I just set the trade and I walked away, man. So we hit TP1, it pulled back towards the entry. Hold on, that's 2. Right here, hit TP1, pulled back towards the entry. Hit TP2 and pulled back toward the entry again before hitting TP3. Man, I hope you had the mental fortitude to let that thing run, because this is the shit that I be talking about, you guys. We can give you the right setups, but you gotta be comfortable enough to let this thing work out for you. That's why we stress that mindset series. Let's see. What does that mean over here? Random on YouTube. Yeah, man, you gotta have patience, man, because that thing hit every target. It hit every target. Like, the only thing that could have got in your way, is letting these fluctuations with that price makes get to you. Am I setting a limit order? Yes. Right now I'm waiting on that 3-hour counter to close. Okay. So I was actually talking about this thing dropping a little further into this area. So we let TP3 run, and I'm about to add right here. Uh-oh. And whew, let me show you that. I'm gonna show you how US 30 turned out too, Adam. That thing went crazy. Is it still moving? Let me see. It's up there playing around at the highs. Man, that thing was crazy. You gotta let them run, man. Let them run. I appreciate it. Gotta let them run. So we're gonna come back. I need to see this thing close. 10 minutes. What does the clock say? So at 11, if this 3-hour candle closes like this, we're gonna place this limit order right here. And I'm jumping back in. We'll add into this sale. Pound JPY took off too. So we entered right here on Pound JPY. It hit TP1. This is TP2 that just got hit. Good shit.
Win! Win, 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 win! Yeah!
Let's see. Thinking we may get a slight pullback at TP2. Let me check this thing out. Let me check this thing out. Let's wait till that 200-day EMA catch up. Okay, so I already have a limit order set right here. Looking for this thing to pull back to this area. Now what I was about to attempt to do is find where that rejection is going to happen so I can take that sell. But the things that I would normally look for are not in place, so I'm going to leave it the fuck alone. No need to be too fancy. We are up, man. Okay. Got a gap right there. And set an alert underneath it. Man, this is why we use those alerts, man. You sit around trying to watch this stuff. Like, really, if you want to catch these moves, you have to be patient. Like, I think we entered our first position last week. Yeah, I think it was last week, maybe on Tuesday. But I used to scalp, and I would see how, man, I was fighting to really be a part of a trade versus just getting into a trade setup and letting them run. Then I started asking myself, what was I doing where I let impatience attack me like that, where I just couldn't sit in this damn trade setup and let the money move for me. Wow. Yeah, so that's 1,700 pips. Okay, so we into that Thursday. So from a week of just letting this thing run and adding different trade setups as we go. 700 pips. This trade setup was a 1 to 13. That one's a 1 to 12. This one is on my story. I don't actually have it up here, but I want you guys to look at my story. This trade set up. I entered right here at this wick. And I'm going to this target here. What is that? Damn, that's a 1 to 26. That is crazy. That is fucking crazy. But again, we call all these trade setups live, and we're placing them live right in front of you guys to show you how it's done. I think we got an alert on gold. All right, there we go. So gold is in profit now. Let's see. When we get beneath this low right here, I am going to move that thing to break even. That'll also be really a spot where we can take some profits out on this thing. So let me set an alert right here as well. There we go. I swear you only make the money when you stop caring about it. We sit up looking at these damn candlesticks. These bitches will last forever. Alright. So that's moving. We'll let it go. I was actually expecting to see a rejection from this area today. But if this thing does not get inside this zone by 12 o'clock, I'm gonna wait until next week before looking for that reversal. I'm gonna just take my profits and call it a week. Let's see. Oh damn, we just hit TP2 on pound CAD. Great work, man.
Win. Yeah.
Alright, so we just got TP1 and 2 hit on pound CAD. We just got TP2 hit on this buy that we took on pound JPY. What was that? The gold sale hit TP2. We just entered another trade setup. US 30 went fucking crazy. I think that was it, man. No, pound CAD. Oh yeah, that was it. We're looking at pound and USD, but we didn't catch it. We did not catch it. And I do not like what that said. I'm gonna leave that thing alone. Alright, we got a key level right here on the weekly on oil. Let me change this up. See, since we got all of these rejections right here at this same area, that's why we're identifying it as a key area. When price traded beneath it, it used it as resistance. And then when it broke above it, used it as support. Now we're back again. Most likely, this thing is gonna push beneath this zone. Yeah, so I'll just use those alerts to let me know when we get a break above or a break beneath, and we'll start looking for a trade set up from there. Okay. Yeah, this move already pulled back to retest the previous level of structure that was broken. We do have a gap right here. Let's see. Yeah, that 200 is pretty far away. Okay, but it's right here on the 4 hour. If this thing does not reject right here at that area that we were just talking about right here, if that pullback even happens, then what we will see is this, a deeper pullback. All right, cool. So, yep, the best thing to do right now with this thing is just set the alert so we can be safe. Let's not do no guessing. We are up. Let's let our wins run. No need to just place trades just to be in the damn market. Yeah, it gotta go back up. I really like that rejection. Oh, look at that. Yeah, let's wait to see how this price, how price responds right here to this 200-day EMA. All right, that's about it for today, y'all. We got some nice moves. Oh, okay, we got that candle close. Yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and place this trade set up on, what is this? Euro pound. Okay, perfect. Where are you? All right, got it. 3 hour. And what's that target? 0 point. Oh shit. Typing on the wrong screen. 0.84359. All right, cool. So we got that set up.
If you want to start a profitable business or make more money at your job.
Ashton, what up? We got that set up. I think we're going to go ahead and call it a day, man. The Euro pound sale. Let me see. Let me copy this. Let me copy it again. Yes, I'm going to post this in there for you. Remember, when you're looking for the target, all you got to do is look at the bottom of this risk reward tool and go to the right. That number right there to the right, 0.84359, that's our target. Cool. This gray price over here, this is the entry price. The red one is our stop loss. Okay, so stop, the gray is the entry, and this green right now is the target. Normally we use these. Matter of fact, let me give you what you would normally see. All of those TPs got hit already. Oh shit, what's that? Alright, TP3. TP2. So you can practice it properly. TP1. Oh, that's a 1 to 9. Nice. All right, cool. So now with these trade setups, each trade is going to have the same entry point. the same stop loss, and then you just put the different TPs in for each one, and it's the numbers that are highlighted in purple. So let me go ahead and drop this in there for you. Let's go. Something just shot up. I don't know what it was. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you sent me 2 messages. I didn't even see it. Are you trading? This was today. My bad, Brittany. So that message that I sent you, the pair is on there where it says edit pending order. The pair is right there. Nah, some days I had that phone in my hand. Other days I'll be locked the fuck in. I was locked in today. All right, so that's the trade setup that we're taking right there. Let's see if US 30. What was that just shot our profit up like that? I think. What was that? That wasn't US 30. That must have been gold. Okay, yeah, that was gold. Okay, so we just took this gold sale too. Yeah, if you didn't catch that one when we played it, that risk reward is gonna be poor. Oh man. We got a pound AUD sale? When did that activate? Got you. All right, Brittany. So that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna let these things play out. You should pretty much have it. At this point, just go to the pair, make sure that your risk is appropriate, and dial the phone number. Let's see. Oh yeah, I need gold to go ahead and act up. I think I just heard a message. The stop loss and the targets are on the thing that I just sent you. That's the screenshot. So the damn, what pair was that? Oh, euro pound. Yeah, cool. So this is a screenshot with all of the coordinates. That's what I was showing you right over here. This square with the coordinates in gray. This is the entry price. This red bar, that's your stop loss. And these purple squares that you see there, the highlighting price, those are your different TPs. So all of your coordinates are right here on the right hand side. So just zoom in, you got the stop loss, the entry, and all of your targets. So that's what this tool right here does. You see him? I don't know which group you in. Okay, got it. All right, cool. While you put those in, go ahead and close everybody out, man. So we got some major moves this day, some big wins on a couple different pairs. Stick it to the rules.
Win. Yeah.
We'll be back next week. We're hopping on Sunday. Let's see. Let's get on this full screen. We're hopping on Sunday to do the same thing. Oh man, I just be leaving YouTube hanging. My apologies, YouTube. I gotta get a better system going on over here. I got so many different things live in different chat boxes. Next week, I'm gonna make sure y'all get in so you can be a part of the fun too. But yeah, we traded gold, we traded US 30. We also looked at Euro, pound, AUD, and we hit them all this week, so everything turned out well. Last week we got a couple lessons. This week we went perfect. That doesn't always happen, so we're gonna celebrate it while we can. We'll be back on Sunday to take a look at the news to figure out what the volatility will be. We'll take a look at those pairs to figure out what trade setups we're gonna take, and we're gonna execute everything live again. So for the people that want to trade live with us for free, you can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Head to that Trading Essentials bundle, and you also get access to the free trial for our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. This is the glue to the system that pulls everything together. When you start with it, you'll use our 6-week journal to help you guys become more intentional with your words. We also have a few books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. It covers the concepts that are given in live sessions and the charting sessions. And we have log books to help you log your process and figure out where the problem is by understanding what problems you face in the moment of execution, okay? We have merch as well, and to join us, you can get that beginner bundle upgrade to tier 2. But as always, remember, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?